Hello! Scones are part of our series on high tea or cream tea. They are little cakes served with cream and jam. So let's start making them. Scones are very easy to make. You just need simple ingredients like self-raising flour, sugar, butter, milk and a pinch of salt. Mix the salt and the flour. Now add the butter and using the tips of your fingers just mix it into the flour until it looks like breadcrumbs. And now I'm going to add the sugar. Mix again. Make a little well in the center and using the back of a spoon, you mix the milk in. It is all combining together nicely. Now I'm going to knead it lightly, just to put the ingredients firmly together, but not too much because the warmth from your hands will melt the batter. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the surface. And start rolling. I made it roughly 2 centimeters thick. Now I'm going to immerse the cutter inside the bag of flour and start cutting the scones. Put the scones on a baking tray and brush them with milk. Put them in a preheated oven at 220 Celsius for about 5 minutes. Look how much they have risen. Ok, sono bellini. They are tall enough to be cut in half and be served with cream and jam. So here they are, and this is the way we serve them. Jam first. And a nice blob of cream. And now you can enjoy it with a nice warm cup of tea. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.